प्रश्नकालाक सुरुवात करूया. पहिलो प्रश्न श्री लहू मामलेदार, तुमचो प्रश्न. श्री रोहन खवटे.
So, I may be permitted to ask star LQ number 2C.
2C. विचारात.
2C. Speaker sir, हो प्रश्न लीडिंग हॉटेल्साचेर a project which is coming in Tirakol. हो प्रोजेक्ट पळयतकर गोंया म्हाका ते पिक्चर अग्निपथ याद जाता. अमिताभ बच्चन आशिल्लो ते. एक बरोसो सुंदरसो गांव मांडवा, जातून ताजो गांव कसो वाट लागता आनी तो गांवा खातीर कितें झगडटा आनी एकटो विलन कांचा येता आनी ते सगळो ड्रग पॅराडायज करून उडयता. आज तिराकोल स्पीकर सर, maybe to start with yesterday our honorable CM said that इन्व्हेस्टरां खातीर आमी बरी मॅसेज दिवंक जाय म्हणून. म्हाका सुरवातीक प्रश्न पडटा की गव्हर्मेंट वॉन्ट्स टू इन्वेस्ट फॉर इन्व्हेस्टर्स काय इन्व्हेस्टर्स नीड टू बी इन्वेस्टिंग इन गोवा काय म्हणून. कित्याक जितले येता पर्सन लायक लिडिंग हॉटेल, अ VIP client similar like casino for this government comes in, buys a property of about 9.9 lakh square meter in Tirakol. Tenant आसतना एक दिसाक डेप्युटी कलेक्टर ऑफिसांतल्यान 100 टेनंट नेगेटिव्ह डिक्लेरेशन हांगा नाशिल्लेच म्हणून टेनंट भायर काडटा. उरिल्ले जे टेनंट आसा ते आज पर्यंत आपल्या जाग्याक झगडटात आनी त्या जाग्याक झगडटा आसतना आज पर्यंत सरकारान तांची काळजी खंयच घेतली ना. जेन्ना हेच सरकार आयिल्लें तांकां सांगलें प्रॉमीस केल्लें वी वील लूक इनटू इट. फॉरेस्ट स्पीकर सर,
प्रश्न विचारा.
ना इट आय एम गोइंग थ्रू इट. आय हॅव टू कम टू दॅट.
तुम्ही
2 मिनटान म्हजो प्रश्नूच सोंपतलो, चड वेळ लागचो ना. 2 मिनटान आय हॅव टू गो थ्रू द नॅरेशन.
वेळ बाकीच्यांक विचारपाक
2
मेळटा.
मिनटान सगळ्यांत सोंपयता स्पीकर सर. Forest speaker sir, although there was a canopy density was very high, gives permission to cut roughly about 155 trees. And the company asked for about cutting about 1 hectare of trees. Yet जागो सध्या private forestaच्या under येता. They are trying to put under private forest and clearances are given by the department. I don't know whether this forest minister, honorable forest minister, are aware about this. Conversion सनद जाता 60 लाख 2011 पयलींचो सरकार घेता आणि 1,98,083,008 1.98 crores, 1 crore 98 lakhs 83,850 is paid in 2013 when the regional plan is denotified. Government clears the master plan for the ecotourism, but technical clearance is awaited because of payment of infrastructure tax. WID minister हांगा पण अजाबाची गोष्ट म्हणून आम्ही पर्वरी नाल्यार आमचे नॉर्थ गोवा वी आर फेसिंग वॉटर क्रायसिस. वी आर ट्रायंग टू सॉर्ट आउट द वॉटर क्रायसिस आणि द प्रोपोजल इज पुट की तिलारीच्यान तिराकोल उदक ओडपाचें वाटील दारगळ आनी थंयच्यान पायपलायन ओडपाची विच इज कॉस्टिंग अबाउट 5.6 crores इज गोईंग अहेड. आय डोंट नो वेदर WID मिनिस्टर इज अवेअर अबाउट दीस, वेदर इट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर गोल्फ कोर्स काय कित्याक तें हांव नकळो. उदकाची समस्या लोकांची सोडटा आसतना हे जाता.
तुम्ही
फाउंडेशन स्टोन स्पीकर सर
हांव दिवचो ना कांयच उलोवपाक. प्रश्न विचारा.
कमिंग टू इसी
न्ही, प्रश्न विचारपाक तुम्ही इतलो वेळ कित्याक घेतात म्हाका कळना.
येवचोच पडटा स्पीकर सर.
ही डिबेट न्ही, हे डिस्कशन न्ही, हे प्रश्न
स्पीकर सर, एनवायरमेंट क्लिअरन्स
स्पेसिफिक प्रश्न विचारण्यात जाल्यार उलोवपाक दिवचो ना हांव.
आय एम आस्किंग विचारता. एनवायरमेंट क्लिअरन्सा खातीर हांवें इशू घेतिल्लो आनी द एनवायरमेंट क्लिअरन्स वीच इज ग्रांटेड इज इलिगली ग्रांटेड. द बोर्ड SCAC कमिटी जावन सुद्दां एक्सपायरी तांचो टर्म जावन सुद्दां मिनिट्स आर सायन्ड बाय द सेम बोर्ड. Does the government acknowledge these facts that the department, your SCAC committee, has signed minutes of the meeting giving EC approval to these particular people after their term had expired? Are you aware about this?
Speaker sir, 2 separate applications, application number 97 of 2014 by Sunil Shetye versus Leading Hotel Limited and application number 2 of 2015 by Anthony Mendes versus MOEF and others are before the Honorable National Green Tribunal, Pune, challenging the grant of environmental clearance and CRZ clearance granted to Leading Hotels Limited by MOEF for the hotel and the golf course. Further, CRZ clearance granted to Tirakol Bridge is also challenged before the Honorable NGT separately. As such, these matters are presently sub judice before the Honorable NGT, and hence, in my opinion, commenting anything further in the matter will not be appropriate at this stage, since the matter is sub judice. Hence, we need to wait for final decision and judgment in all these three cases pending for adjudication before the Honorable NGT, and therefore, I cannot comment on this matter.
Speaker, sir, I am making a charge that the environmental clearance given by this government and the CRZ clearance given by this government is illegal. Irrespective of your decision coming, the House is tanchat favoran watle. Interim relief they have already asked for. They might get also. You please assure the House that you will probe into this matter as far as environmental clearance and CRZ clearances are given, because both are illegally given. CRZ is given normally for properties in settlement zone. Is settlement nashilli. RP 2021, a draft has been used to make this and give these clearances. EC also has been done in the same matter. Tumchi sub judice matter asa, I will not go ahead on this to talk. It was a court decision coming in. As a government, you only assure that environment and CRZ aje tumi sarke probe kartale after this particular issue comes in conclusion.
Speaker, sir, these issues are pending in the court, and I'm sure the probe that is being requested by the Honorable MLA will be done through the court.
And from your side also.
Alex Reginald.
Speaker, sir, in CRZ 1 areas, this area is coming under CRZ 1 area. Under CRZ 1 area, एक Tirakol fort mahatinga, Itihasik fort. In that CRZ clearance of theirs, they have not mentioned even the fort. Tega fortak setback aha. Is the minister aware that the fort is not mentioned there? Is the minister going to see whether that fort will come there? And if the fort is there, there has to be setback. Is the minister, can the minister make a statement in the House that all those setbacks are kept and the fort is there? I want to ask the minister. And this minister cannot say it is sub judice.
As far as the setbacks are concerned, I will look into the matter.
Speaker,
Vijay
sir,
Sardesai.
Speaker, sir, looking in the matter will not help, Speaker, sir. It is a Tirakol fort. Looking in the
they
matter,
look into
mak
the matter,
assurance
they are not able to
I
solve
want
the
an
problem.
assurance, Speaker, sir.
Yes.
I want an assurance. There is simple seeing. It is a don't think it is
Vijay
so light.
Sardesai.
Don't take it so light. People are watching you.
Lex
It is
Babu.
not to be taken
No,
lightly.
I definitely don't take this matter lightly.
Assurance.
And when I say I will look into the matter, I
But you are giving
mean
me
I will
assurance
do
that will
the
come.
needful.
Because sir, I want an assurance. Because sir,
And Dilani assurance that she's
look
looking
into the matter, not an
unless she-
assurance.
So
because,
I
sir,
will do
you
the
are
needful,
big
Honorable
issues.
MLA.
I want an assurance.
Yes, I'm
Sardesai.
giving you the assurance when I say I will do the needful.
She has already given you the assurance. What?
No, assurance.
Vijay,
What is
Vijay
the big thing?
Sardesai.
Speaker, sir, the government has said that in the case of the Tirakol bridge construction, the forest clearance on the Tirakol side has not been obtained. So are you sure that you are going to get forest clearance and NGT clearance from the Tirakol side? Because you are going ahead with the construction of the bridge on the Kering side. So will it be a bridge to nowhere? Because if you don't get the permission from the NGT and the forest clearance on the Tirakol side, then it will be a bridge leading to nowhere. Then I think the department needs to step in now. Because you are going for a construction of a bridge in which there is permission only on one side. On the other side, there is no permission. So what is the guarantee that you are going to get that permission? That you are saying that it is pending and still you all are continuing with the bridge. If it is pending, keep the whole thing pending. Because I don't understand the logic.
Again, the issues placed before me by the Honorable MLA will be taken care of in the Honorable NGT court.
Mr. Speaker, sir, Kiran Pani is not very far from Tirakol. There's a bridge between Kiran Pani and Aronda, is it? So close by. Madam, have you visited that place? My question to you is, have you seen the place?
Honorable MLA, I have to state that I have not visited the
Kindly
place.
see the place. You must visit. If you want, we all will go and see the place. After, if it is going
after
to
the golf
benefit,
course and before the
please,
golf course.
let me complete. If it is going to benefit the village, please do it. I don't mind. If it is going to cause damage to the economy as well as the people and the environment, then I think you have to be careful.
But I would like to state that I have visited the village of Tirakol many times before as a school student and a college student. But recently, with respect to this particular issue, I have not visited.
Yes, as a minister for environment, from that angle, please visit the place.
I will.
स्पीकर सर ज्या ब्रिजाचो उल्लेख जालो तो ब्रिज प्रपोज ब्रिज म्हज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींत येता म्हाका एज फार एज माय नॉलेज गोज Terekol is the only part of this state which is beyond the river. हरशीं जर कोणी विचारलें what separates Goa from Maharashtra, जाल्यार it is river Tirakol. But there is exception. The exception is Terekol is other side. काही वर्सां पयलीं our Pedne तालुका, including your constituency and my constituency, were also detached from the remaining Goa by river Shapora. तुम्ही पेडणे हल्ली पावले आम्ही भुरगेपणापासून थंय आसात आणि त्यामुळे एखादो गांव उर्वरीत गोव्या कडल्यान तुटून रावप हेचे कितले कश्ट असतात हे हांव सांगू शकता. I remember those days in my school. हांव एकदां बसलो फेरीबोटीक वाट पळोवपाक कितलो वेळ लागता मागीर तेवटेन बस धरपाक कितले वेळ लागता आनी हांवें कॅल्क्युलेट केलें की म्हज्या जिवनांतलीं 2.5 वर्सां तेन्ना पूल नाशिल्लो 2.5 वर्सां ही फेरीबोटीची वाट पळोवपाक किंवा फेरीबोटीतून क्रॉस करपाक किंवा पर्तडी क्रॉस करतकीर नवीन शिवोलेची बस मेळपाक. म्हाका दिसता आयचे भुरगे भाग्यवान जेंकां पयलीं कोलवाळचो मेळ्ळो मागीर शिवोलेचो मेळ्ळो मागीर थिवी मेळ्ळो मागीर तुमचे फुडले आनीक 2 इब्रामपूरच्यान पलतडी वचणारो मेळ्ळो तळर्णचो मेळ्ळो हय तरमस. ऑनरेबल ऑपोजिशन लिडर डिस्टन्साचेंय म्हणीत डिस्टन्स अशें किरण पाणये वयल्यान केरीचे कमी आसा डिस्टन्स पूण हे जरी असले तरी तेरेखोलच्या मनशांक जर हो ब्रिज वापरतले जाल्यार तांकां रेडी वचचें पडटा आरोंदा वचचें पडटा आनी मागीर हो पूल वापरचो पडटा. खास करून तेरेखोलचे मनीस जर केरयेच्या पंचायतींत येतले कोणा कडेन सरपंचा कडेन येतले किंवा तलाट्या कडेन येतले जाल्यार तांकां परत आपल्या गांवांत येवपाक दे हॅव टू ट्रॅवल थ्रू रेडी they have to travel through Aronda, which are 2 villages in Maharashtra. एवटेन आयलो की किरण पाणी आयलो इट इज विलेज पालये आणि पालयेच्यान परत केरी येवप आणि त्यामुळे हे साधारणपणे डिस्टन्स तेरेखोलचो मनीस केरी तेरेखोल पंचायतीत जर येतलो जे पुलान सहज जाता ते क्रॉस करपाक साधारण 15 ते 16 किलोमीटर लागतात आणि त्यामुळे इट इज माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. हांवें फाटल्या इलेक्शनाक हांवें आश्वासन दिल्लें ताच्या फाटल्या जाहीरनाम्यांत हें आसा की हांव जर म्हजी ताकद सरकारांत वाडली